This is Tom Clements with King Air Academy. I'm going to talk to you about the emergency exit on the 90 series. Now the 100s, 200s, 300 series, their emergency exit is a plug type door that totally detaches and comes into the airplane. And the more pressurized you are, the better those doors seal. The 90 emergency exit, on the other hand, is similar to the cabin door in that it opens outward, hinged at the bottom. This particular airplane is going into maintenance soon, and there's been a bit of a leak detected around this emergency exit, so that's why we're going to go ahead and open it up, because it's going to have to be addressed anyway for maintenance. On the other hand, we suggest you not be doing this to your airplane unless there's a reason for it, because to get that to reclose properly and seal well is sometimes not an easy task. The earlier 90s, the seal is not inflated, it's just a rubber seal. However, the later airplanes, it is an inflatable seal, uses some of your regulated P3 pressure to pump that up. So to gain access here, this third window back right side of the cabin, we pull out the cover there, and we see a diaphragm very similar to what's on the cabin door, which allows cabin air to get to one side of the diaphragm, outside air to get to the other side. And the more pressurized we are, the more that diaphragm will be pushed out. Now it's spring-loaded to the out position. I corrected, spring-loaded. So when you pressurize, the whole diaphragm and these hooks would move forward. In that case, I cannot totally release the red arm, but if I'm unpressurized now, I can. So the instructions on the cover talk about pulling the hooks to override the pressure diaphragm. 99.9% of the time, you certainly wouldn't be pressurized when you open this, so the need to pull the hooks is not great unless it was stuck, dirt, malfunction, something frozen this in the out position, then you might have to pull. But most of the time it will already be there. So now, we release the handle. When I pull the red handle, I'm rotating a torque tube across the top that connects with hooks on either side. So unlike a cabin door, we don't have J-hooks and bayonets, but simply two hooks at the top, which I'm releasing now as I do this, and the door goes out. I'll try to be gentle with it here so it doesn't hit the paint too hard. And this airplane does have the later style inflatable seal, and there's the inflation line going to that. Open it up, and here it is, hinging down. And I hope you brief the passengers, if they ever have to use this, once they're on the wing, to go towards the tail, not forward where you have the hot exhaust and possibly a spinning propeller. So out to the wing, sliding off the wing to the back of the airplane. That's something you don't see every day. The open emergency exit on a King Air 90. This has been Tom Clements with King Air Academy.